Okay, YouTube, let's work on another little project here. We're going to try these on the low voltage electrolysis. We are going to dump these in there. I'm going to wrap them with some copper wire. This is the negative side of my small power supply. I already have baking soda in the bottom of this. So get a goodly amount of nice clear water versus the rusty water we used last time. Get as much of that to dissolve as we can. Oh yeah, it's building. This takes it a minute to get going. If you look over on the wire itself, see the bubbles that are starting to form? So because it's such a small charger, it's just going to take a minute to get up to speed, I suppose. Okay, I'm leaving that alone, and I'll come back and check on it after a while. T-Rex out. Alright, so I've unplugged our electrolysis experiment here. I just don't know. We'll have to oh yeah, look at that. That's quite a bit better. I'm not going to take the rivet out of these, but that's looking good. I'm going to head over the wire brush with this and see what we can do. Patent date we can see on there, and then underneath it says RE November 6th, and it looks like 1900, but it might be 1909. Very hard to see it there. And then on the other side it just says Lodi, and Lodi I think there is a Lodi, Ohio. I'll do a little research on these and see if I can find that patent, and that's pretty cool, an 1894 patent. Quite a bit of work that we need to do to the inside of these with the Dremel tool, so we'll get after that, get them all cleaned up. These aren't going to get painted, these are just going to get cleaned up, and we'll fix the jaws a little bit. We'll get those straight again, and we will put these away. That's really awesome. I had no idea when I picked these up that they were 1894. Alright, T-Rexers, we got these cleaned up quite a bit, but I want to kind of send that steel back in the direction it should go. So I am going to give it a little bit of heat, and then I will hit it against the anvil, and we will see how much we can get it straightened out before we hit it with a file. Alright, that ought to do it. Shut that down. I've got my hammer. Hang on. Bring in the stunt vise. You guys didn't think I was going to hit that one, did you? Okay. Now that the dangerous work is done, we can bring this back in here. Let's see how much we can clean that up with a file. Getting them back to where they need to be, but this is going to be a minute. Okay, so you can see that we did quite a bit of filing there, got that relatively flat and straight, so there's no gap in between really. A little bit there at the nose, but there's nothing I can really do with that. So I'm just going to kind of chamfer these edges just a little bit because now they're sharp from filing. And then we're going to get after the wire wheeling of the places we couldn't get with the big wire wheel and smooth these out so you can't really tell they were filed on. And probably going to call it. I think the best way to get those grinding marks off is going to be the old-fashioned way. Okay, YouTube, I'm going to call it good with this one, so I guess this is the grand reveal. These are the Lodi, patented September 25th, 1894, and it looks like RE, November 6th, 1900. It says Lodi on the other side. I put WD-40 on these. They were in that water bath, so I don't want to risk them having any remnants of water in there. One thing that I noticed about these that's pretty dramatic is the steel is not very high quality at all. It actually dents, takes marks incredibly easy. The wire cutters, top and bottom, are just not in good shape on the outside. The inside, they seem to rub a little, but I can't get in there. I don't want to take this rivet out. But it doesn't look like these were very well hardened. But that's not something I want to do. So we'll leave her as it is, and we're calling these done. 1894 Lodi pliers, and that's going to do it for us. Just remember, when in doubt, put a motor on it. T-Rex out.